Guys, what's up? It's me back with another update. Well, I got the Pontiac put back together, and I was doing the break-in on it, and the block is wore out for the camshaft bearings, and it's one of the camshaft bearings. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I don't know if we're gonna put a brand new motor in it, or find a used motor and put it in it, or what, or sell it and get a different car. But today I'm focusing on my Volvo. I've already done a bunch of stuff to it and everything, a bunch of little stuff that bore you guys. Today I want to do a 3-inch exhaust, catback exhaust on it, just because I don't got the O2 sensor eliminators yet to get rid of the cats. So I'm going to do a little before for you, and then when I'll update you later on how it goes. Let me get you set up here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, that was the before exhaust, and when I get the exhaust off I'll line it up with the new, and I'll update you guys then, and then when it's back on the car. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm back, and sorry I didn't do in the middle of the difference because I was in a hurry, but this is my old exhaust, and now I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I got 3-inch all the way back now. So let me get you guys set up so you can hear the difference. That's the difference. I still have the Cadillac converters on it, but because I don't got the right pipe for that. So what I've done is I got new rims and tires, the right size, because I didn't have the right size on it. I got the LED headlights, and I also got LED fog lights because they didn't have any of them at all, the fog lights at all. So that's about all. And it got hit right here, and it actually totaled the car out, but I'm still able to keep the title and everything and not have a salvage title on it because it's over 10 years old, which is good because I didn't want to, because just getting it. So, and I got these rims and tires that came on it. They're for sale if anybody wants them. So the truck is doing good. The Pontiac is junk as far as I'm concerned, and the Avenger just sitting over there doing nothing. But I think that'll be it for today's video. Sorry it's not very long or anything, but I will talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, whatever. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.